Precise means exact and correct, with no mistakes or confusion. In simple words, precise equals exact and clear. What does precise mean in daily life? Something is precise when it is accurate, clear, detailed, correct. Precision helps avoid errors and misunderstanding. Very easy examples. The time is precise. It is exact. She gave a precise answer. It was correct and clear. More simple sentences. Follow the precise instructions. The doctor gave precise advice. Math needs precise calculations. Daily life situations. Engineers need precise measurements. Students need precise answers in exams. Maps give precise directions. Student-friendly sentence. The teacher wants precise work. Important point to remember. Precise means not approximate. It means exact. Easy memory tip. Precise equals exact